it's Christy here. So today I just have a unboxing of my Saladmaster items. It's a very well made pots and pans and knives and a lot of kitchenware that they work with, and we're just gonna have an unboxing today and see what I got. Okay, I'm excited for this. Okay, so the first thing I put out is a stainless steel powdered cleaner, and that would be this here. Removes discoloration from stainless steel cookware. Awesome, this is awesome. So I got this, and then I got a knife that I won from them. It's really nice. Look at that. And it says Saladmaster on there. Okay, so I got a knife. So I got a 112-inch electric oil skillet and one standard knife, a cookbook, a polisher, and a mini Dutch. Oh yay! So I got a mini Dutch with that. And then they also give you a cookbook. It's good and healthy and nutritious cooking. If you guys never heard of Saladmaster, it's a company and they specialize in very good stainless steel pots and pans, so that when you cook, you're getting the benefits of it and not bad stuff like the Teflon or other pots and pans. So their motto is they change lives. So let's just take this one out here. Oh yeah. So I got two stuffs, three. And if you guys are interested in any getting to know more about Saladmaster, just email me down below and I'll get back to you guys. Right now they're having like a virtual shows, and then they'll explain the pots and pans to you, and it's like a direct sale, so you can only get it through a distributor or through a representative. And my sister is one of them, and my niece. So if you guys want to try and learn, just sit there, and then you guys can be on the virtual show. You can watch them. And I also will put, if I can, put a link below, or just kind of email me. I'll put my email down below. If you guys are interested in wanting to know more about this product, just email me and then I'll give you guys the information there, okay? So if people you have a lot of high blood pressure, diabetes and stuff like that, there was some people that did their testimonies and it helped them. So okay, so this is like a little Dutch. You can do fondue and stuff in there, and it does come with these sticks here, and it's a lifetime limited lifetime warranty. Okay. And then it comes with this beautiful pot here. If you guys can see that. You can even take out this part, and it does come with a cover, and then use it as a regular pot. So there. Let me just kind of take that out for you guys. Okay, let's see how. Okay, so it does come there's the handles. I will be cooking with these. So this would be just the regular pot. you see how beautiful the silver is right now? And I've seen a lot of people that their pots still look like this. It doesn't turn color and stuff like that. So this is really beautiful, yeah? Okay. Also, this that's what I like. You see this right here? You can put it over the silver thing, so when you pick it up, it's not gonna burn your hands, right? And then you just attach that to it. This is a good idea. Okay, the last but not least box that I got here is a little bit bigger. Let me throw these guys out real quick. So this is my last box here. Sorry. Okay, so this is a little bit bigger box. I mean, bigger one. Sorry. Okay, this is it here. Oh, goodness gracious. It's like so hard to like move around and stuff. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's an electric skillet. And it looks just like that. So I can just use this forever and then not have to use my stove and stuff. Okay. Look at how nice that is and so thick. See that? That is beautiful. Okay. Okay, let's and this is the cover, and it does have this thing right here, so when it's done and stuff, it'll start doing that noise right there. That's beautiful, huh? Okay, and then we're gonna have the this is the other part to it. Oh, I just hit my lip with this thing here. Sorry, you guys can see my toenails. Oh, my pants, cute, yeah. Yeah, this is the stay home vibes. No need change. Okay, and this is what it comes with as well. So I'm so excited to have received these, and I'm gonna go and cook with it. Not today, but I will. Maybe this weekend or something. Let's take a look at Nevaeh. Look at her face. This is that's our area. We stay all day mostly in that section right there. If I move chairs, she'll come and bother me on the other chair. But anyways, that's my unboxing for today. I'm excited to even have it and try it. It does save lives, you know, because just like the cookware that you're cooking with, it's all that stuff that's in the cookware gets into your food and stuff like that can cause cancer or whatever is going on. But if you want to try and stay healthy, this is a cookware to get. And if you guys want to know more about it, please email me, or even on my Instagram, text me there. It's on Christy Lani for the Instagram. And look at her. She make it like she's sleeping. What's the matter? But yeah, so if you guys are, you know, just want to listen in on their virtual show, you guys just text email me, or get to me on my Instagram, because I can answer your questions there. So you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm excited to have it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.